Hello and welcome to another edition of Technical Videos by Piedmont Fiberglass. Today we're going to be talking about our PBH Baptistry heaters. Now these are the PBH 5500, which is a 5.5 kilowatt. Up front here we've got the PBH 11000, which is an 11 kilowatt heater. Now both these heaters are UL listed, Underwriter Laboratory listed. One of the nice features that the Piedmont Baptistry heater has is that it arrives fully tested and fully assembled. That, along with the titanium element, is why our heater costs a few dollars more than some of the others on the market. But it's really important to us that when you get that heater, it's ready to go. So you don't have to assemble anything. It's already been put together. We make sure the pump works, nothing leaks, any of the connections leaks, and that the heater works and you're ready to go. Now, a very important thing is that we're dealing with water and people, so this needs to be connected to a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI. Recommend that you contact your local building inspector, electrical inspector, and they will advise you to make sure you're getting how to properly connect it. So definitely recommend doing that. All right, let's talk about features. Up here we're showing the base, the heater element, the pump, the housing, everything is connected to a composite base, and when you get it in place, it has holes where you can either screw it or bolt it down to make sure it's nice and secure and solid. Both the 5500 and 11000 have a 1.5 horsepower pump, and here we can see on the 5500 the stainless steel heat chamber. Now the 11000 has two of these, the 5500 has one. So this stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about any rusting, any corrosion there. Now inside the heat chamber is our titanium element. Now we chose to use titanium to give longer life. What can happen over time is scale and other deposits can build up on the element, causing it to fail early. With the titanium, nothing sticks to it, so you get much longer life with the titanium element. Okay, let's talk about some of these other features. On the front here, you see the onboard diagnostics. These lights light up when the heater's on, the pump's on. It even tells if there's an issue going on with the heater, if there's some kind of trouble with it. And when you initially wire it, it will even tell you if the system's miswired. So you don't have to worry about doing a lot of troubleshooting. If the light's on, you need to recheck. If not, you're ready to go. All right, some of the other features. On the side here, everything is plugs in. You don't have to do any additional wiring. The pump, if you get an easy fill, any of the other accessories, all of those plug in here on the side, and each one even has a unique style plug, so you can't miswire it that way as well. All right, now we've got the heater thermostat right here that you can adjust the temperature of the water here. And this particular model, you can either get it with or without, is a 7-day timer. This operates on a 7-day cycle. You can flip these switches here and determine when it turns on and off, or you can operate it in just the standard mode. So you can operate it either in timer mode or in standard mode. One of the other features to protect it is a high limit switch. In case there becomes a malfunction, it's not going to overheat the system, and it will trip this out, and it's here on the side as well. All right, to plumb these, it comes with the standard fittings for the intake and discharge, and it's just a standard PVC Schedule 40 fittings, so that's all you need to be ready to go with it. All right, now we're going to go up to the plant and we're going to show you how we assemble and test each of these heaters. Okay, we're here in the plant at Piedmont Fiberglass, and we're in the heater test area. Now on the back side here is a 1,000-gallon baptistry that's full of water, and it's connected through the wall into our test stand here. And we have a PBH 11000 hooked up. And as you see, we have it temporarily wired to our own ground fault circuit interrupter connection. So we've got it wired up here. So we'll kind of push this up, and we'll turn the pump on. And pump's working. As you see, the light, pump on light illuminates. Now we'll connect this up. We'll adjust the thermostat. and you heard the contactor kick in, and the heat on light lit up. So this is working properly. We don't have any leaks. It is heating, and we have a thermometer set up on our test tank, and we're going to let this run until it rises the temperature of that water about 3 degrees, just to make sure that it's working properly. So make sure we don't have leaks and the elements are working and it is heating. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to call us, and we'll be glad to help you out all we can. Thanks.